Hey guys, it's Maddie. Thank you for clicking on this video and checking it out. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a PR unboxing. I have accumulated a couple more boxes and I feel like my last PR unboxing did really well. So I figured let's just go ahead and do another one. I'm also filming with a backdrop today. Yes. I filmed with this before, but it was like a really long time ago. It was when we still lived in the apartment and I just thought, why not bring it back? I was getting a little bit tired of the white, so there is that. By the end of this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and also the thumbs up button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, and let's just go ahead and jump into things. So the first box, I don't have it in any specific order like I did in my last PR unboxing. I'm just kind of grabbing and going. This first box is from Pure. If you guys did not see, I did do a takeover on Pure's Instagram stories last weekend. I think it was June 23rd I did it. And I did a skincare kind of takeover and also a giveaway. So if you guys watched that, thank you so much. I had so much fun and Bailey sent over some goodies. The first thing I see are it is the 4-in-1 foundation sticks. I am so excited to try these. When they launched, I wanted to pick them up and I just haven't for some reason. I'm one of those people that I feel like I see things that I really want, but I never am like the first to buy it. I always wait for some reason. She sent over porcelain and golden light, so I cannot wait to try these. I feel like I've heard really good things about that, so yes. She also sent over the Shake and Boost Powder to Cream Multivitamin Booster. Ooh. It says, give your concealers, foundations, or skincare a boost of multivitamins. I don't think I've actually heard of this little guy, so we'll have to try this out. I don't know. I don't. And then last three items in here are some skincare items. So they sent over the Joystick, which is an exfoliating deep pore cleanser. I do have this already. I love this little guy. He does wonders for me. He's really good at exfoliating my skin, and my skin feels so soft after I use it. And then they sent the Luxe Firming Eye Cream Identity. I have not tried this out, but I would love to. I am using the Belief Eye Balm right now, which is my favorite, but I'm always down to try a new one. And I really like the applicator on this one because you get a little squirt side out here and then you have a flat edge where you can rub the product in. So I think that's really nice because sometimes I feel like my fingers can be a tad much and I just am just furthering the wrinkles. Okay, I feel like I'm just making them worse. I feel like I'm bringing them on sooner. I can't be doing all that. And last, there is the Pure in the Clear. This is the clarifying cleanser. I've tried this and this is one of my favorite cleansers. Oh my gosh, it's so refreshing feeling and it just really deep cleans my skin and gets any stick of makeup that I have left over, and I just love this guy. That is from Bailey, so thank you much Bailey and Pure for sending over those goodies. This next box is from Dermalogica. It is 2 new skincare items, Banish, Breakouts, and Blackheads. It says, get clearing, glowing skin with Dermalogica's newest Clean Start products. Yes. So they have one which is a breakout clearing booster, and then they have the blackhead clearing fizz mask. So here they are. They came in this cute little travel tote. This is so freaking cute. I love purple and teal together. So here is the fizz mask and here is the breakout clearing booster. I have tried the fizz mask and it was pretty cool. I haven't tried any fizzing mask before, but it felt really nice. It didn't tingle too much on the skin, like it was bearable for me to sit through. And once I washed it off, my pores did look noticeably smaller and my skin did feel really nice. I didn't really see a major difference in my blackheads. I mean, I had a couple, but I didn't really see them go anywhere, you know? So I would like to try it again and see what else I could get from it. And then I would like to try the other one, but I think that's more of like a spot treatment kind of deal, and I haven't really had any major breakouts. knock on wood. So I guess I'll save that for whenever something does pop up. Hopefully not anytime soon. I'm gonna go ahead and do these two boxes together. It's not really PR, but it is technically free makeup. They are from Influencer. If you guys have not heard of that, it is where you can sign up, do reviews, and get sent products. So they have sent me two boxes. So the first one, the smaller one, they sent over the Maybelline New Master Prime Blur and Defend Flawless Skin in an Instant Primer. I think they came out with 5 total, and they sent over one of them. I have not tried it, but here it is right here. It does have SPF 30 in it, and it does blur and defend. I really like blurring primers at the moment. The Cover FX blurring primer, oh my gosh, it is so good, and it just blurs my pores and smooths my skin out. So I'm excited to try that. Maybe a drugstore option. And then they also sent over a bigger box. And this is the Spark Vox box. I think it's just a different one. In here we have some of the Swiss Purs. I don't know. They are fragrance-free makeup removal wipes. I do need some more makeup wipes. I have not tried these before, and I do appreciate them being fragrance-free because, like I have said before, I try to stay away from fragrances if I can on my face because I feel like that tends to break me out a little bit. So I like to stay away from that. Also in here, they have the Live Clean Coconut Milk. This is a moisturizing hydrant body lotion. So just a good little body butter. So you have the Pantene Pro V Foam Conditioner. It is a daily moisture renewal for fine, flat hair, light moisture, zero weight. So, okay. So it's okay. I got it now. Took me a minute. Don't mind me. So you just replace it with like your normal conditioner, but it's a foam. I think that's pretty cool. I really like foam products. Who doesn't like to play with foam? And then last, they have a Pure Silk Contour 6 Double Flex Blade, and it is a 6 premium blades. And there are 2 cartridges and 1 razor. I'm actually in need of a razor, so this came at a perfect time. Thank you so much, Influencer. Next box that I got, I was so excited, and it is such a pretty package. I'm probably gonna keep this box. It is from Pixi. It is the Pixi Glow in a Box. So this is what the outside looks like. It is so pretty. Like, look at those lights. Wow. And then this is the inside. It says glow, get them gorgeous at the top. They came out with 2 highlighters right here, and then they came out with 5 of the liquid fairy lights, which are just sparkling liquid eyeshadows that kind of remind me of like the Stila ones. I'm gonna try and swatch them for you guys real quick. So here are the 5 Ultra Fairy lights. They look so pretty. Oh my gosh, just look at the sparkle they have. Oh man, I really hope that these do really well on the eyes and they don't crease. And then we have the 2 highlighters. I'm not gonna swatch those because I would be here for forever. But I was honestly really excited about the highlighters. I think a little bit more than the fairy liquid. So thank you to Pixi for sending this over. Greatly appreciate it. Pixi is stepping their game up. Next package I got is from Peace Out, which is a new skincare brand. There's just a cute little card in here. I absolutely love whoever wrote this. Their handwriting, goals. So in here they have the cutest little packaging. This is what is inside, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So stickers are falling everywhere. I did get the Peace Out pores. I got 4 blackhead strips and 4 pore strips, but I don't know. I'm intrigued. I want to try this. I need to try this and see the results. I feel like my blackheads are getting kind of intense right now. Opening anything with acrylics is impossible. This is what it looks like on the inside. I am digging this packaging. Like, I'm a packaging snob, and this is so cute. The black and white. I'm here for this, okay? I'm here for this. If you guys were wondering, these guys are $19, and you can get them at Sephora, and I think also on their website as well. If I'm not mistaken, it does say Sephora, and it does say at Peace Out Skincare. So thank you to Peace Out for sending that over. If you guys have tried anything from them, let me know down in the comments, because again, I'm really intrigued by that 4 to 6 hours. 3 more boxes and we're done. Moving on, we have a box from Decay. They sent over the Vitamin C Micellar Cleansing Water, which is one of my favorite cleansing waters at the moment right now. I just love how it makes my skin feel. It feels very refreshing and it leaves my skin feeling nice. I don't feel dry after I use it. I don't feel like it stripped my face of like all of my hydration or anything. It just feels really nice and it gets all the makeup off, so I can't complain. And then also in here is a overnight peel. It just says AHAS, an exfoliant facial. It says the skin brightening non-abrasive blend of alpha hydroxy acids exfoliates overnight to help visibly smooth skin, giving you a youthful, healthy, and glowing appearance. Ooh, I need this. So this is what it looks like right here. I have not tried this before, and it seems very enticing. So I'm gonna have to try this and I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you've tried it, let me know. I don't think I've done any like overnight mask. So thank you to Decay for sending over those 2 lovely skincare items. So last makeup PR box that I have is from the lovely Urban Decay. They sent over this cute little box right here. Ignore my light in the background. And this, if you guys guessed it, is their Born to Run collection. So this is what it all looks like on the inside. So you have the Born to Run palette, you have 3 of their lipsticks down here, you have 3 of their eye pencils, and then a small cute little all-nighter spray, which is one of my favorite sprays. I'll probably toss this in my bag for when I'm on the go. There are 3 lipsticks, there are 2 comfort mattes, and there is 1 metallized. There are 2 comfort mattes. This is Marfa, I think I'm saying that wrong. It is a beautiful deep purple. Holy cow, that is stunning. Next up we have 66, which is also a comfort matte as well. This is your classic mauve color, kind of a plum undertone to it. And then we have the metallized one, and this is Ready with a question mark. Ooh, that is pretty. That would be beautiful to put on top. Then in here we have 3 of their 24-hour Glide On eye pencils. I love these pencils. They do exactly what they say. They glide right onto the waterline. I am wearing Overdrive, which is like the greenish one, kind of greenish teal one. I have this in my waterline right now. Absolutely love it. It looks so good. It's making my green eyes pop, so thank you so much. We also have Double Life, which is kind of like a rusty brown. And then we have Lucky, which is kind of like your orangey copper color. Can't go wrong with Urban Decay eyeliners. They're some of my faves. I can't wait till I have like every color. Gold. You have the cute little all-nighter setting spray. I absolutely love this little lady. And again, I will probably just refresh real quick and also put this in my purse for when I'm on the go. The main attraction, the Born to Run palette. I did create this eye look using this palette, so if you guys want to see it, I should have it up over on my Instagram. So this is what the palette looks like. This packaging is so pretty. Love to go to any and all of these places. Please and thank you so much. This is this beautiful palette. Like, can we just... I have not seen a palette that's gotten me excited in quite some time. And when I saw this one, wig was snatched. This is so stunning. I think it is so pretty. There's a good balance of shimmers and mattes in this palette. I think you could travel with this and you can get so many different looks. There is a black in here, which is always really nice, especially again when you're traveling, and just to have in one palette. They work so wonderfully. This eye look was so effortless. I didn't have to do much at all. Oh my god, this is going to be a favorite of mine. I'm going to have so many different looks from this, so you guys be on the lookout. That is everything that came in this little box, the Born to Run collection. Thank you to Urban Decay, everybody over there. This is such a beautiful collection, and they have just been killing it lately. I'm here for Urban Decay. Okay, it says the Born to Run palette is $49. The Vice lipsticks are $18 each. The Glide On eye pencils are $21 each, and they are available from Sephora, Ulta Beauty, select Macy's stores, and Urban Decay stores. So, and you guys can get them online as well. So run and get it if you have not gotten the palette. Again, these are the shades right here. It is so freaking stunning. I cannot wait to play in the pinks and purples. The next box that I am about to show you guys is kind of random for me. It is new. It is not makeup related. It is clothing and fashion related. It is also from Just Fab, Just Fab, and Pure Cosmetics recently collabed, I do believe, and one of the team members at Pure emailed me and asked if I wanted to be included in this, and I said, of course, thank you so much, I would love to. I did send them my size in tops and bottoms and also my shoe size, and they sent over this. So hello. So the first thing right on top is a shoe box. And in here we have some mauve kind of rose gold sneakers. But I just think these are so cute and they're so very my tones, my vibes. I appreciate these. Next in here, these are basic leggings and they are in heather gray. I don't think I actually have any gray leggings, so this is nice. Just your basic, you know, basic white girl leggings. Here they are in the flesh. I have not tried these on yet, so I don't know if they fit for sure, but there is that. They are pretty stretchy, and mine are in a size medium. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. I believe. Yes, these are in a size medium because I got some junk in my trunk. Okay. They also were super kind and sent over a book bag. It's a like rose gold, not rose gold. It is just a mauve pink book bag with some black detailing on it. It's super cute. Here we go. Oh, I like the, oh, I didn't even notice that. I like the little design in here. They also included these pair of sneakers, which honestly, this is not something I would normally wear, but I mean, shoot. Maybe I'll spice it up, or maybe I'll see if my sister wants these. And I feel like this is more her aesthetic. I love a good like Van kind of sneaker, and I feel like this is the vibe it's giving me, but this pattern is not normally what I'm about. You know, I'm about my neutral colors, my whites, my blacks, sometime my mauve colors. I like to spice it up. Last item in here is a lightweight cargo jacket, and it is black, and this is what it looks like. It is long sleeves and it has a little tying detail on it. It zips all the way down, but I'm too out of breath to do all that right now. Okay. And this again is in a, oh, this is in a large. I do like for my jackets to be a little bit bigger, so I don't mind that that's a large. Hopefully it'll fit really nice. And with that, that is everything that I have gotten free makeup and fashion-wise lately. Thank you to all the brands who sent me something. I love testing out new stuff and being able to share it with you guys when I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. I need to fix my eyeshadow. Perfect timing.